In this lesson, which is going to be quick and easy, we're going to look at disproving statements by finding a counterexample. So let's start with a question. Let's have a look at this one here. So disprove the statement 3 to the n plus 2 is prime for all natural numbers. So it's a false statement that's implied by the question, and it's up to us to find an example, one single example, to disprove the statement. Because a statement is untrue if we can find a single example to disprove it. One of my university lecturers, back when I was studying maths, used the phrase, "It takes one bullet to kill a man," to describe this phenomenon. One single counterexample will disprove an entire statement, is what he meant by that phrase. So disprove the statement 3 to the n plus 2 is prime for all natural numbers, i.e. n bigger than or equal to 1. So I'm going to use the table mode in our calculator again to do a lot of the work for us. All we need is a single example that disproves it. So 3 to the power of x plus 2 is the expression we're going to evaluate. We'll not bother putting a second expression in there. We don't need that. Start at 1. Finish when we sub in 20, and we'll want to go up in ones. So let's find one of these that isn't prime. Keep looking, there we go. So 5, if we sub that in, gives 245. So let's write it down. So we've got 3 to the power of 5 plus 2 equals 245. But it's not enough to state that 245 is not prime. We've got to show that it's not prime. Pause the video, have a go at showing it's not prime, not just stating it. So to show that it's not prime, we just need to write it as a product of two factors other than 1 and itself. So 2, 4, 5. I know that 5 is a factor because it ends in 5. Gives me 49. So is equal to 49 times 5. Therefore, not prime. And then finally conclude. Therefore, statement is false. And that is disproof by counterexample. I won't go into any more depth than this really, because in exam questions, you just have to think your way out. Think of one example that'll disprove the statement. So over at the question sheet now, give it a good going over.